Okay, so we were in the house a while ago. Sounded like snow slid off the roof. It wasn't. All these joists just broke of the deck that's loaded with, well, I don't know, what, a pickup truck worth of weight. She going to come down. Tie some ATVs to it and yank her or what? We managed to save his generator and a couple of hand tools and little shit, but the sucker's coming down. You get a little more? Had to bring out the Yamahas. Oh yeah, I didn't. Dig a little hole with it maybe, eh? No way! Okay. Next post, I guess? You want me to drag it right out? What the fuck? Oh, yeah.
No fucking fingers.
Yeah. Fingers won't fing. Alright, I think she's coming this time. I might have to move and get more straight with it. Here she comes. Yeah. Blackstone down. Well, that was fun. That couldn't have gone better. You could even use the door. You fucking get the snowblower in here, make a track right there, you're good to go. Unreal, yeah. Bet you that door will open better now. There's even enough room to open the fucking door. Beauty. Nailed it.